Hi, Mr. Azlan, the landlord here. It's Monday, 18th of January 2021, and today I want to give you a tutorial about yacón. This is yacón. It's a tuberous root, okay? It looks like sweet potatoes, but it's not sweet potatoes. If you Google yacón, which is spelled Y-A-C-O-N, the C has an accent, or tilde or whatever you call it, but if you just spell it with the regular English typewriter C, you'll still get it. You can get the information on Wikipedia and plant list and whatever else. Okay. Diabetics love yacón for two reasons. Firstly, it contains a type of sugar called FOS, in short, fructooligosaccharide. Saccharide is just the scientific name for sugar. Oligo means it has between 3 to 10 molecules stuck together. If it has more than 10, it's called a polysaccharide. And polysaccharides tend not to be sugars, but starches. Okay, so a fructooligosaccharide has some fructose and glucose, and they're stuck together in molecules of 10 pieces together. And they're about as large a molecule as you can get and still be a sugar and taste sweet. Anything larger would become a starch and won't taste sweet. So that's one reason why diabetics love it, because large molecules of sugar take time to be broken down in your gut into either glucose or fructose. 90% of the carbohydrates you eat are broken down into glucose and enters your body via the gut. The remaining 10% becomes fructose. And what enters your body is either fructose or glucose of whatever starch or sugar that you eat. Okay, everything is broken down by your gut biota into either one of those two. And because it's a large molecule, it takes time for your gut biota or your gut microbiome to break them down. And because it takes time to be broken down, you won't get a sugar spike when you eat yacón. That's one reason. The other reason is because of the other compound found in yacón, which is called inulin. Inulin is the plant analog for insulin. Inulin is also found in another tuberous root called jícama, that's spelled J-I-C-A-M-A. In Malaysia, people call it sengkuang, but it has less inulin than yacón. Now, inulin is easily used by the human body to make insulin, because it's very similar to insulin, so it's very easy for the body to convert the inulin, break it down to the components and rebuild it up back into insulin. And because it has insulin, it helps the glucose enter your cells to be used as fuel. Okay, so that also prevents you from getting sugar spikes, because whatever glucose that's in your blood immediately gets taken up by your cells. Okay, so once I've cut them up and put it in my fruit salad, I've sort of diced them. So you can see well, they were originally pure white, but now they've discolored slightly. They're kind of yellowish or grayish, and that's because of the oxidation. So it's important to peel your yacón last minute, just before eating, and not peel it and keep in the fridge for eating later, next day or whatever. So the sooner you eat it, the better. So I've got a 5 fruit salad here. Well, 4 fruit salad plus yacón. The 4 fruits are pineapple, papaya, black grapes. The variety is called royal seedless. It's not something not a variety I normally buy, but I happen to be in Eon today, so I got a packet. My favorite ones in Eon are actually the black sapphire, which look longish like dates, but those I had to go and weigh. These were in punnets and they were 15 ringgit a punnet, and I was too much in a hurry to get it weighed, so I quickly put it in, just grab this one, which I don't have to go to the weighing station to get weighed. Okay, and the other fruit I have is red pitaya. Okay, I call it pitaya because that's the original Spanish name. Dragon fruit is a cultural appropriation. It's got nothing to do with dragons except the skin looks like dragon scales, I suppose. So I'd rather respect the original name, which is red pitaya, rather than red dragon fruit. Red dragon fruit, yellow dragon fruit, and white dragon fruit are 3 different species of pitaya. You could look it up on Wikipedia if you want. Okay, so that's my fruit salad. I've also got fresh mint leaves, and I'm going to squeeze the juice of 1 key lime. This is the last of my key limes, and the juice of 1 limau kapas. Now, limau kapas usually doesn't have much juice, but this is ripe and yellow, because usually I get them when they're green. And I've rolled them so they're quite soft now. So I'm going to cut them up and squeeze the juice. Now, limau kapas is a hybrid, so it doesn't have any seeds, but key lime has lots of seed. Okay, that's it for me today. See you next time. Bye!